Start by showing the customer you value their choice through a clear, professional next step plan delivered immediately after service. After completing the initial treatment, document exactly what you did and why in plain language and share that summary with the client by email or text within 24 hours. Explain the expected timeline for results and list specific behaviors they can follow to speed recovery, like removing food sources, sealing obvious entry points, and maintaining low humidity. Offer a simple follow-up inspection schedule and set a reminder for a 90-day check in your calendar system so nothing slips through the cracks. Ask for feedback right away by sending a short, specific survey or message that asks 1 or 2 focused questions about what went well and what could improve. Invite the customer to leave a Google review and make it easy by providing a direct link and a 1-sentence suggestion for what to write. Finally, introduce your annual maintenance options as a helpful choice, not a hard sell, and highlight referral bonuses or discounts for signing up for recurring service to encourage long-term loyalty. Common mistakes are overloading the customer with jargon and technical detail, which confuses and undermines trust, so keep explanations simple, avoid chemical names unless asked, and use visuals only when requested. Another frequent issue is failing to follow up, which lets the initial goodwill fade. Solve this by automating a follow-up message and scheduling that 90-day inspection before you leave the property. The third problem is not making it easy to refer you to others or sign up for recurring plans, so provide a one-click link for referrals, a concise script they can share, and a clear, simple breakdown of what the annual contract covers and costs. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we connect homeowners with local contractors and show project examples that relate to pest control and prevention. Our community discussion boards let us and other homeowners ask questions, share experiences, and help contractors find work through direct conversations.